fingerprint flowers. Okay, you need your A4 paper, place it in landscape form, your lovely stick, your paint. Okay, so let's start. Now we're making yellow dots with a finger. Can I see your finger, Ari?
Yeah.
Put it here. Now, yeah, now make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's use the wet to clean your finger. So it's time to make the stem. So dip the popsicle stick in a green paint and draw a line each down the yellow dots you made earlier, and that's it. You've got the stems. See what we've done? So we have the stem. Now let's make the grasses. Okay, what color is this? Green. Now put your finger. The green grass, place the finger in the green paint and place below the paper, then draw the finger down. Repeat this many times as seen in the video for green grass. That's it. You have the stem and the green grass. So now let's make the petals. Okay? These are what? Grasses. And this is what? Stem. Stem. Good job. So it's time to make the petals. So dip your finger in any color of paint you want. You can use purple, green, red, as you like. Okay, and make dots around each of the yellow dots you made earlier. Okay, so look at the video. There you go. And here we've got our fingerprint flower. Good job. All right, so here is our fingerprint flower. Spring is here. So where are the grasses?
Here.
Grasses. Okay, where are the stems? Stem. The stems are long. These are the stems. Okay, stems. All right, where are the flowers?
Here.
How many flowers do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 flowers. All right, good job. Come on, clap for yourself, Ari. This is it.